Hello my friends on YouTube. Today I'm going to be picking for you this Master Lock 20mm. I'm going to be single pin picking it. Here's my tension tube. And here is the hook I will be using. And here is the lock. And here is a vise. And here is my hand. I'm just screwing with you. But anyways, yeah. Be single pin picking this for you. It's a hard angle to get at with the camera here. But I want you guys to get the best shot you can, so hopefully this all works out here. And there we go. All opened up for you there. Try to do it again for you here real quick. The reason it's so hard to pick here sometimes is I gotta put quite a bit of pressure on that pin. On one pin in there, and that one pin that's in there is a security pin that's serrated. And it is very hard to get a serrated pin that's in the back of the lock to pop. There you go, I did it again. I'll show you the bitting on the key here real quick. If I can get it out of the vise. Here's the lock. And here's what the bitting on the key looks like. As you can see, it is only a 4-pin with a very, very, very shallow cut right here. Very shallow. But that's it. Please check out my other videos. Please subscribe and have a great day.